When a client asks me how long an AI project takes, my answer is always it depends entirely on what happens in the first 4 weeks. McKinsey's 2025 State of AI Research found that average enterprise AI project takes 17 months from initiation to production deployment. That number reflects what happens when the foundation work is skipped or rushed. With proper first phase discipline, a focused implementation can reach a working pilot in 90 days. Today, I want to walk you through the framework we use at Do Systems to make that happen. I am Hari from Do Systems. We implement AI systems for businesses across IT services, healthcare, manufacturing, and professional services. This 90-day framework is what separates our projects that reach production from the industry average of 17 months that never quite does. The foundation phase does not produce anything you can demo. It is also where most projects are won or lost. In week 1, we do data audit before any development begins. Audit the data the AI will use. Gartner's February 2025 research found that 85% of the AI project failures traced back to data quality problems or missing relevant data. Problems that a proper audit would have surfaced. Assess the data availability, completeness, consistency, and any access or privacy issues that need to be before the development starts. In the week 2, do use case validation. Confirm that the use case is technically feasible with the data you actually have. This is a 2 or 3-day exercise. It produces either a confirmed go-ahead or a scoped adjustment, which is infinitely cheaper to make in the week 2 than after 6 weeks of development. In weeks 3 and 4, do the environment and access setup. Development environments, data pipeline access, security approvals, and API credentials. This takes time in the real organizations. Starting it in the week 1 means it already when the development begins. Starting it in week 4 means the development stalls while IT process catch up. 3 parallel tracks that need to stay synchronized. Model development. Building and iterating the AI against defined accuracy benchmarks with clear exit criteria. The model needs to reach a specified performance threshold before the project moves to integration. Without that threshold, model development extends indefinitely. Integration development. Connecting the AI to the existing systems it reads from and writes to. This always takes longer than estimated. Plan for it. Legacy system complexity, API limitations, and data format mismatches surface in real conditions during integration and not during the design. User experience and workflow design. Defining how the intended users will interact with the AI in their actual workflow. Involve a sample end of users, week 6 or 7. This is one of the highest leverage investments a project can make it in its adoption outcome, and one of the most commonly skipped. A controlled pilot with a defined user group, specific use case, and an active measurement against a success metrics agreed in the brief. The pilot is not a test whether AI works technically. That was established in development. It is the test of whether the AI works operationally, whether real users use it, whether the output quality holds in real conditions, and whether the integration performed at the production load. Run the pilot for at least 2 weeks to accumulate enough data to evaluate performance. The business owner from the brief is responsible for assessing pilot outcomes and making the rollout recommendation. At Do Systems, this 90-day framework is how we structure every AI implementation, with the understanding that the foundation phase determines whether the rest is possible. For businesses that have stalled on a previous AI project, the first conversation is almost always about the what happened in the weeks 1 through 4. Subscribe to our channel. We cover real AI implementation content every week.